Myself Saurabh Garg, and I am from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Engineering College Jhalawad. Today I present a major project presentation on the online banking system. So first of all, we see that what we will discuss in all the presentation. So first we will discuss abstract, scope, and then design. And after that we will discuss what technology used in the whole project, and then function, output and execution, conclusion and reference. So let's see what is let's see about abstract. The project safe and secure internet banking system provides comprehensive electronic fund transfer and payment solution that enables thousands of citizens, financial institutions, and hundreds of business the convenience of receiving and transferring their funds online. This proposed system aims at creation of a secure internet banking system. This will be accessible to all the customers who have a valid user ID and a password the system provides. So, what is internet banking? A system allowing individuals to perform banking activities at remotely from home and any place via internet. We majorly look this project because of how is the banking source become simple as compare in these years. Just educate about these years, like people were struggling from get money to the bank by standing in a queue as long as in order to get their own money. Now with the massive growth of programming language and computers are like able to solve this problem, and us in this project we just show the outline of the online banking system. And internet banking is the automated delivery of new traditional banking products and services directly to customers through interactive communication channels. Some online banks are traditional banks which also offer online banking like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, SBI Bank, etc. So let's see what's the scope of this project. The bank has been working for account information, withdrawal, deposit, credit, transfer money, etc. In this project, customer can perform financial transaction like transfer funds online, pay bills, apply for loans, and open a saving account among various other debit cards transaction. This type of project can communicate easily with customer and eco-friendly, user-friendly. This is the design of the system, and this is the use case diagram of internet banking. So here is a customer and then bank. So customer can perform certain activity like create account, login, credit amount, debit amount, transfer money, and bank perform bank can see transaction history, uh, credit amount, debit amount, and help the customer to create an account. So what are technologies that I use in this project? So first of all, I use WebLogic 12c server, JSP servlet, Oracle 10G EXE edition, Java J2E, JDBC servlet JSP, and I use browser like we can use browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Opera. So what are the function of this project? First of new account creation, perform transaction like credit, debit, detail updation, and transfer the money. And admin can see account summary, or user also. Admin requires to login. It handles following information of user, detail about accounts, information about transaction of all accounts. So first of all, we will see that how account creation is performed. A customer who having the account in the world can create a virtual account through this module. This module receives the customer profile details and the bank account details with the proof of the ownership of that bank account. Whenever new customer comes, this system facilitates to create an account. The customer must provide information regarding the type of account he wants to open. and amount to deposit and add number. Second is login. The virtual account holder can log in into the system using this module. Thus, this is the secured login page for the customer in the website, and we can log in as user or admin as our convenience. So here is a snapshot of project, like how we will create login ID. And this is after login, we can log in as admin if we admin, and usually we are login as user. Third is credit amount. User can credit amount to her or his account by using this module. After login and credit amount is added into user account. So for credit, first of all, we entered the account number and amount which we want credit. Fourth one is debit amount. In this module, remove some amount of money from customer account and add the bank end by entering the amount and account number. So along with this, the database is updated according to the user entering money. Next is home page of our project. After login ID, we will see the windows like home, new account, transfer, debit, credit, check balance, transaction history, and suppose we want to change password, then we can also do in that project. And after performing all the tasks, don't forget to log out. This is the event diagram. The event diagram indicates that customer connect to the internet to perform all the transaction. After logged in successfully, then the information received the server to maintain requirement, and it will send a copy of the database and vice versa also. So how customer interact to server and database? Now functional, non-functional requirement. The secure access of required data, 24/7 availability, user-friendly and easy access, intelligent user interface. So how user interact with the system? So in this diagram, customer interact with system interact with database, and after that system interact to the database. So like we have seen that we create an account by entering the username, Aadhaar card, mobile number, father name, and account ID. That will transfer to the system, and system transfer that information by database after saving. And if we want any information from the system, then system fetch the account number to the database. This is the login process, and the customer after login page this is customer switch to system, and how a customer can get service. And this is a database table, like employee database table, account data table, credit table. An employee table like name, password, email, contact, and here the data type of that query. And this is debit table and transaction table. And here the conclusion. Before we discuss about conclusion, we will see execution of the project. This is the home page of this project. There is a login. If user has ID password, then he or she can use as the user, and in case of he or she does not have any ID password, then sign up option is there. Here is a username, password, anything, email, and contact number, and that register. After register, user can sign in like user, Saurav, and password. And after login page, we will fetch with this page. This is our home page of this project. So if we want to create an account, then we have to fill this detail like name, Aadhaar number, email ID, mobile number, father name, account type like student account, and how much balance user have to submit it, and send it. After hit on the create button, user create an account. And in case of user want to transfer amount to sender account number, here receiver account number and how many money is transferred. And user want to debit some amount, then user can enter amount, account number, amount, and debit. Like these we can perform credit. And user want to check balance, then he can enter account number and after that check balance. And transaction history, like change password. If user want to change password in any condition, then type all password, retype password, confirm the password, and hit the done button. This is how our project executes. Let's out conclusion. So internet banking is changing the banking industry and having the major effect on banking relationship. The net banking thus now is more of norm rather than an expectation in many developed countries, due to the fact that is a way of providing banking services. Banking is no longer confined to the traditional bricks and mortar branches where one has to be at the branch in person to withdraw cash or deposit. Here the reference is mysql.com, oracle.com, stackoverflow.com, and java deploy.